use of precision instruments demands a stable rhythm, and when the darkness of communication rooms calls for light. This is the solution. Dare RID8500 diesel inverter genset featuring Pure-sine wave inverter output, optimized carbon footprint, and a lightweight permanent magnet generator. It redefines ultra-silent operation with low decibel performance and lets the world hear the awakening of Dare's intelligent inverter technology. Are you still confused about how to operate the diesel inverter genset quickly and safely? Today, let's take the Dare RID8500 diesel inverter genset as an example, guiding you step by step from startup preparation to operation, load management, and shutdown, all from a first-person perspective for easy handling. Step 1. Pre-start preparation. 1. Open the pack and verify accessories against the packing list. 2. Open the fuel tank cap and fill with diesel. 3. Open the cabinet door, unscrew the engine oil cap to fill oil, then pull out the dipstick to check the oil level. 4. Connect the battery cables. 'Step 2. Starting the genset. Take the power switch key from the accessory bag to start the genset and check the voltage and frequency for stable performance. Step 3. Stable operation. Connect the electrical devices, close the circuit breaker, and turn on the devices to verify stable genset operation. Step 4. Shutting down the genset. Turn on the connected electrical devices, disconnect the circuit breaker, and shut down the genset. When sensitive equipment faces sudden power outages, Dare diesel inverter gensets act as your secure guardian of pure power. While a 99.9% commitment becomes the baseline, Dare chooses to challenge the infinite possibilities beyond the decimal point.